Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with HONOR Magic4 Lite. And we can do this by plugging in the charger to this GOSUN Smart socket, and it should tell us the statistics on this device. So let's try that. Here we are in the electric tab. Now let's wait about 30 seconds till all of the statistics are stable. So now all of them should be stable and you can see it right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.